Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Crunchyroll premium subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions based on where you subscribed. Step 1. Determine where you subscribe to Crunchyroll. You may have subscribed through the Crunchyroll website, iOS App Store, Google Play Store, or a gaming console. Step 2. For website subscriptions, log in to your Crunchyroll account on a web browser. Click on your profile icon and select Settings or Account. Step 3. Navigate to the Premium Membership or Subscription section in your account settings. You'll see details about your current plan and billing information. Step 4. Look for the Cancel Membership or Switch to Free option. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. Step 5. Crunchyroll may ask why you're cancelling. Select a reason from the options or provide feedback to help improve their service. Step 6. Confirm your cancellation by following all on-screen prompts. Make sure you complete the entire cancellation process to ensure your subscription ends. Step 7. For iOS subscriptions, open Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your name, select Subscriptions, find Crunchyroll, and tap Cancel Subscription. Step 8. For Android subscriptions, open Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, select Payments and Subscriptions, tap Subscriptions, find Crunchyroll, and select Cancel Subscription. Step 9. After cancelling, you'll typically retain premium access until the end of your current billing period. Your account will then revert to the free tier with ads. Step 10. Check your email for a confirmation message from Crunchyroll verifying that your subscription has been cancelled. Save this for your records in case of billing questions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.